Car's very battered.
Good morning, Mr. Car.
Morning, guys. Morning, man. What's up?
Well, fine. We noticed a very unusual car in the workshop today, and we're wondering.
Not on that.
Oh, okay.
The story behind the car is that going forward, we will select a car that falls into that category. Old car, the car is very battered. The seats are torn apart, the body is mashed, lights are hanging by like with a screw, you know what I'm saying? So it's in a bad condition. What we want to do every year is just like a give back. This is going to be like our charitable project. Every year we want to select people that genuinely cannot afford our services for now and just take the car and just bring her back to life, Khazcustoms standard.
Get the car where you want to buy, get the car where you want repair. With the run upgrade from Toyota to Lexus and Mercedes-Benz. Give you the color, give you the trigger. You gotta make it a ginger yourself. With cars, oh no wala. You get car, no yawa. I didn't meet your koto. For one gara control the day I will share. You get the old motto. We go bring and make it run upgrade, make it flex so. With cars, oh no wala. With cars, oh no wala. With cars, oh no wala. With cars, oh no wala.
Is there any old cars that you have 2025? You guys send in your inquiry, and I'm saying we got you at the end of the year around November. We'll pick one and we'll do our thing. We'll make sure that it's Khazified.
Give it the car's touch. No cars, no cars. All right, okay.
So yeah, that's it.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
We get car with a small engine. We get the rapper, we get big engine. Alignment to whip balancing. Base protection to carabin. With the spray we get upholstery. Even love on your Bentley. It's a sound swag like a melody. With the runners, my boy big engine. With